All plants, including wood, get structural support from lignin, a substance which binds wood cells together. When lignin is broken down by fungi, water is able to seep in and cause damage. Most sealers and woodproofing products on the market today do not penetrate. Instead, they adhere only to the wood's surface, forming a topical coating. Seal once penetrates the surface, forming a shield around the wood fibers and cells. This barrier permits water vapor to escape and for wood to expand and contract without resulting in decay. Its proprietary formula uses non-toxic, deep-penetrating nanoparticles to prevent damage and decay caused by water infiltration and fungi growth. As it is absorbed, Seal once bonds to the wood fibers on a microscopic level, providing your wood structure with durable and long-lasting protection. Keep your wood beautiful. Protect it from the inside out. Protect it with Seal Once.